Supreme Court of the Philippines, here's the latest.
The Judicial and Bar Council on Tuesday announced the schedule of interviews for the position of SC Associate Justice to replace Honorable Mario V. Lopez, who will mandatorily retire on June 4, 2025. A total of 17 candidates will be interviewed on May 14, 15, 16, and 21, 2025. Candidates are Court of Appeals or CA Presiding Justice Fernanda Lampas Peralta, CA Associate Justices Ramon Bato Jr., Ramon Cruz, Myra Garcia Fernandez, Nina Antonio Valenzuela, Maria Elisa D., Ronaldo Roberto Martin, Walter Ong, and Carlito Calpatura. Sindigan Bayan Associate Justices Carl Miranda and Ronald Moreno. Court of Tax Appeals Associate Justice Maria Rowena San Pedro, and Court Administrator Raul Villanueva. Other candidates are University of the Philippines College of Law Dean Darlene Marie Berberabe, Philippine Permanent Representative to World Trade Organization Manuel Antonio Tihanki, Tax Lawyer Attorney Maria Rosario de Leon Bernardo, and University of Asia and the Pacific Institute of Law Dean Maria Concepcion Noche. The Supreme Court has reaffirmed that testimonies from a spouse's family and friends can help prove psychological incapacity in cases seeking to nullify a marriage. In a decision written by Senior Associate Justice Marvic M.B.F. Leonen, the SC 2nd Division declared the marriage of Jeffrey A. Green and Rowena Manlutak Green null and void due to Rowena's psychological incapacity. Jeffrey filed a petition to nullify their marriage, claiming that both he and Rowena were psychologically incapacitated. As evidence, Jeffrey submitted a psychiatric evaluation report based on standard tests and interviews with himself, Rowena, a mutual friend, and Rowena's mother. Ruling that Rowena was psychologically incapacitated to comply with her marital obligations, the SC emphasized that in nullity of marriage cases, psychological incapacity can be evaluated using statements from people other than the spouses, especially from those close to the allegedly incapacitated spouse. The SC added that as long as the totality of the evidence can prove a spouse's psychological incapacity at the time the marriage was celebrated, the marriage can be nullified under Article 36 of the Family Code. The Supreme Court has upheld the conviction of former Dapitan City Mayor Joseph Cedric O. Ruiz for corruption and misuse of almost 1 million pesos in confidential and intelligence funds. He is perpetually disqualified from holding public office. In a decision written by Associate Justice Ramon Paul L. Hernando, the SC's 1st Division affirmed the Sindigan Bayan's ruling, finding Ruiz guilty of violating Section 3, Paragraph E of Republic Act or RA number 3019 or the Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act and Article 217 of the Revised Penal Code on malversation of public funds. The SC noted that if Ruiz had genuinely intended to use the funds to address post-election violence, he should not have requested the full amount allocated for the entire year. His action caused undue injury to the city, as it depleted the city's confidential funds and forced it to realign its remaining resources. The SC also held that Ruiz committed malversation when he used the confidential funds for personal gain. The SC has held a school civilly liable for negligence after a bullying incident led to the assault of a student during class. The SC 2nd Division, through Associate Justice Mario V. Lopez, found that Mother Goose Special School System, Inc. failed to address a punching incident involving 3 grade school students inside one of its classrooms. The SC held that the school was grossly negligent in handling the punching incident. It also reiterated that schools have the contractual obligation to maintain peace and order within their premises and even outside campus during school activities. On April 30, the Justice Sector Coordinating Council, or JSCC, marked its 15th anniversary. Composed of the Supreme Court, the Department of Justice, and the Department of the Interior and Local Government, the JSCC was organized in 2010 to serve as a forum for coordination to address issues of common interest and a mechanism for the effective sharing of information in support of the planning and implementation of joint initiatives among justice sector institutions. Since 2010, the JSCC has established 16 justice zones across the country. The JSCC also organized a photo exhibit at the lobby of the SC Main Building, the DOJ Main Building lobby, and the DILG NAPOLCOM Building lobby, showcasing JSCC's achievements and milestones for the past 15 years. The photo exhibit will run until May 9, 2025.
You are now up to date with the Philippine Supreme Court. I am Tifatin Supreme Court Information Officer.